Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Now, in this video, I want to show you how you can make money easily in Nigeria. Okay. Now, this is a website that is actually built by a Nigerian for Nigerians. Okay. So you can see the name of the website is called Naira Workers. Okay. Here you are expected to perform micro tasks. Okay, and you'll be paid a certain amount of money. Okay. Now, the kind of task they actually have here ranges from Facebook likes, Instagram following, and all that. But before I even go into all that, let me show you that I've made money from this particular website. Okay, I'm just doing this passively to show you that you can actually make money from this particular website. You can see I have about 800 naira here. Okay, balance that I can withdraw at any time into my bank account. Okay, you can see I still have pending of about 118 naira here. Okay, so if this money should come to this, you can see it's getting to like 1000 naira. So this is just to show you that you can actually make money from this website. Okay, so like as I was saying earlier, if you come up here, you can see hire many random workers. Okay, people come in here and they come to hire workers for micro task like, okay, go like my Facebook post, follow me on Instagram, sign up to my YouTube channel, uh, give my YouTube video a like. Okay, sign up to my Telegram group. Okay, join my Telegram channel. Different kind of task like that. That is the kind of task people come here and ask you and I as a micro worker to do for them. Okay, so now the issue is this: these are things that won't cost you anything. You don't need money to do any of those projects. Okay, you don't need a dime to do any of those projects. Okay, like I rightly showed you, you saw that I actually made money from this particular website, and I can withdraw that money at any time, right? So all you just need to do is this: when you come up here, try and register. Okay, when you log into this, I'm going to be dropping the link to this particular website right below this video. Okay, so all you just need to do is to sign up. Okay, after you sign up, you fill in all the details. Okay, about you. Okay, your name, your username, your bank account. Just put in everything there. Okay, so after doing that, and you want to perform jobs, okay, just come up here and you click on this available jobs. Okay, now when you click on available jobs, let's see where it takes us to. Okay, you can see it brings us up here. Okay, so you can see this person now is asking you to join his WhatsApp group. Okay, he's asking you to join his WhatsApp group and he's going to pay you 40 naira. You can see this one is saying you should join his Telegram draw and it's going to pay you 30 naira. This one is saying you should join his Telegram channel. It's going to pay you 7 naira 20 cover. This one is saying you should join his WhatsApp class. You can see different kind of task here. Okay, this one is saying you should subscribe to his YouTube channel. Now, what will it cost you to subscribe to his YouTube channel? Just go to, it's going to, okay, let me just show you how it looks like. Okay, when you say subscribe, you click on that link and you come to look at the description of the job here. Okay, you can see this is the job here. So is what is expected of you is to click this link. Now this link is going to take you to WhatsApp, to YouTube. Okay, then you just subscribe to his channel. Bam, the job is done and you'll be paid. So what you just need to do is this: after you click on this link to his YouTube channel, you click on your subscribe, you subscribe to his YouTube channel. Okay, come down here, read all these requirements. Okay, then you just take a screenshot when you subscribe to his YouTube channel. Screenshot when you subscribe to his YouTube channel. You come down here. Okay, this file here. You click on it here. Then you upload that screenshot that you took of your subscription to his YouTube channel. And when the screenshot is uploaded here, you just click on submit. Your job is done. Automatically he is going to pay you this 24 naira. So now you imagine you every day you come up here and you begin to take up all this, you begin to take up all those jobs. Okay, this one pay you 40 naira, this one pays you 30 naira, this one pays you 7 naira, this one pay you 40 naira. By the time you sum up all this job, okay, by the time you do all this job for today, imagine how much you're going to be getting. Okay, now you don't need money to do this, it's just free. Now you gather this money, tomorrow you come up here again, you look for other jobs, you do it. Next tomorrow you keep, before you know it, you must have accumulated some money that might not really make you rich, but at least it will help you to gather some money for yourself, right? So you can see different kind of jobs are here. Okay, some will just say sign up, Gmail, to all kind of things. You can see this one say just go and follow him or her on Instagram. What will it cost you? Just open an Instagram account, go follow this person, and that is all. You can see the job he actually wanted is 89. He wants 89 people to subscribe to his Instagram, to follow him on Instagram, but you can see 16 persons have already followed him. Okay, you can see this one, this WhatsApp TV. This one wants you to watch his WhatsApp TV. He's asking 120 people to watch his WhatsApp TV. You can see 77 people have watched his WhatsApp TV already. Okay, so that's how this thing works. Okay, you can also make money from this by also referring your friends, right? You just go, you click on the referral, right? If you come down here, you can see I've some persons have actually joined this program through my referral. When you sign up, you're also going to get your own referral link, okay, where you can use to refer people. You can see my referrals here, okay. I've, I've invited about 13 persons. Now, when you refer people to this program, also, you get paid also, okay? So, through that and with your daily task that you'll be performing here, okay, with the jobs you'll be doing here, you can see that you make money from it. And if you want to withdraw, you come up after you must have done some jobs, okay? If you want to withdraw, okay, you can just come in here, you click on your earnings, you click on this withdraw earnings here, right? If you click on this withdraw earnings here, it's going to give you the opportunity to withdraw. You see, you can withdraw your earning when you earn over 1,900 naira. Okay, so approximately if you earn up to 2,000 naira, then you can just make withdrawal of your fund, right? You can just make withdrawal of your fund. All you just need to do is just to put your bank, like I rightly told you earlier. You see your account name, your account number, then you see your available fund there. Okay, you just put in 2,000 naira or any amount that you have here that is above 2,000 naira. Okay, if you have 3,000 naira, you can just come up here, you put the amount of money that you have. Okay, you put the amount of money that you have and you click on submit request. Okay, and automatically within 2 days your money will be credited into your account. Within 2 to 5 days your money will be credited into your bank account. Okay, so you can see that this website is a passive website for you to make money at least. Okay, like I rightly said, the money might not be very huge, but this is the kind of money that will keep you going for every day, right? So I want to believe you got value from this video. Now I want you to subscribe to my Telegram group. Now my Telegram group, I post valuable videos, and also remember to subscribe to this YouTube video channel here. Okay, now this video, give this video a thumbs up, like this video so that others will also get to see it. Okay, I really appreciate if you got value from this video. I really appreciate if you give this YouTube channel a subscription. Okay, we appreciate your subscription. Take care of yourself and bye bye.